Hello, and welcome to this Marq training on version control. One of the most important factors in using the Marq platform is comfort for your users to jump in and experiment with the platform. We always encourage users to jump in and experiment knowing that they can't break anything, and part of our reason for that assurance is version control. In this video, we'll learn the tools and features at your disposal to make you comfortable jumping in and exploring the Marq platform. Marq is a cloud-based software that will automatically save any changes you make. There's no save button you need to hit, so if we make a change, such as editing text, it'll say saving and then saved within just a few seconds. Because of this dynamic saving, we'll always have a version of our document or project to go back to based on the changes that we made. Let's explore that now. If we're working on a project or document and we accidentally move or edit text or an asset that we shouldn't, we'll see that Marq's going to automatically save that. But just to the left of that, we see the undo and redo arrows. These powerful tools will let us undo a recent change or bring it back. In this way, we can ensure the change or edit that we made is exactly what we'd like to see. And if we accidentally move something out of the way or make a change we didn't intend, again, we can undo that or bring it back again. Now, these buttons will only remember what you did for the current instance of the platform that you're in. Meaning if I make a change today, log out and come back tomorrow, these buttons won't remember what I did that previous day. In that case, I go over to File and drop down to Revision History. When I click on it, it'll bring up a list of any and all changes I've ever made to my project, sorted by date and time. I can select any one of those and restore it back to that version, or save an entirely new copy based on it. I can even go back to the original date that I created and restore it back to that version as well. Using these powerful tools, you should feel comfortable jumping in and exploring Marq, knowing that you can undo recent changes or bring them back, or go to File and Revision History to select any of the dates or times when you made a change, even naming a version, so you can later go back to it and either restoring it back to that version or creating an entirely new copy that will be saved under My Projects. Until next time, happy creating.